How's it going, guys? This is Mike from Active Web Group, and today we're going to break down the 8 ingredients for a great ad. Before we start, you might like an ad because it makes you laugh or has a catchy song, but that just means you like the ad and not necessarily that it's successful. The point of an ad is to convey a memorable message quickly and inspire action. So let's get cooking. Ingredient 1, clear direction. Ask yourself exactly what you're trying to say and simplify it as much as you can. Every aspect of your ad should support that same message. A quick note, definitely set goals so you can measure the effectiveness of your ad once it's live. Ingredient number 2, boldness. We're desensitized to advertising because we expect it. So don't be afraid to go against the grain and get a little weird. If people are double taking, you're doing that part right. Once you have that standout part down, the next step is keeping their attention. Ingredient number 3, feelings. If you want people to react, appeal to their emotions. Ingredient number 4, a good story. People want to be entertained, not sold. Hence why you're scrolling online or watching TV right now. So tell a good story that simplifies your message and makes it more memorable. Duracell did a great job with their Trusted Everywhere campaign. Their goal was to promote trust and credibility for their batteries. So they showed a bunch of firemen running into burning buildings with Duracell powered gear. The message? If firefighters can trust Duracell batteries in their high stress situations, you probably can for your backup flashlight. Ingredient number 5, a specific audience. I don't care what you're selling, no ad will be loved by everybody, and trying to please everybody will please nobody. So speak to your potential customers, not the masses. Ingredient number 6, strong branding. People identify with brands over businesses because they represent ideas and values that we as people relate to. So incorporate your brand's values and personality for that special touch. Ingredient number 7, conciseness. Nobody will remember every word or idea from your ad. That would be ridiculous. They don't have the attention spans, memory, or the interest. So your ad should convey one important takeaway that sticks. Remember, if these firemen can trust Duracell batteries, so can you. Ingredient number 8, a clear call to action. Once someone sees your ad, they should know what to do next. In Duracell's case, they want you to trust their product the next time you're going out to get batteries. It was an old ad. Here are a couple more examples. Visit our store this weekend for 50% off new mattresses, or download our app for the latest updates. Now for our call to action. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to us for more digital marketing tips. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.